I've explored all avenues, but nothing seems to be working. I don't know what is happening.
So what do you want me to do?
You see, I have a friend who's got some goods and wants me to buy. But the problem is the money I have is not enough. So I'll need you to raise me like 2 million naira to beef up what I have so I can purchase the goods.
Ekene, 2 million naira, it's a lot of money, it's huge.
I know, brother, but I...
Ekene, listen. The problem is not giving you the money. You are my brother, and I thank God at least there's money to give. But the issue is getting results at the end of the day.
So how do we go about it?
Good question. Again, I want you to go home and think about it. Think about this seriously, because this your idea doesn't really go down well with me. When you come up with something better, come to me.
I done think this thing before. I dey wonder wetin they do me. All my plans they fall for ground. Business imo, oko anyola.
So what did your brother say?
He didn't say much. He just told me to go back and think up new ways of pushing up the business.
And have you been thinking? And, like, have you come up with something?
Nothing. What other idea could I possibly think of?
Ekene, the road to success is just like the road to Golgotha.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
What's that?
I want to take the receipt. There's one customer I need to attend to.
Take it fast.
Thank you, sir. Auntie, madam.
So Ekene, like I was saying, the road to success is like the road to Golgotha.
Meaning?
Ekene, I think you should think harder.
What do you want me to do?
You know, not everything in life is ordinary.
And so?
So Ekene, have you ever thought...
Brother, the last time I came to your house, you asked me to go back home and think of a proper business plan. I've done that. I've thought of something. I've made consultations and I came up with an idea. So I said to bring it before you to know if you would accept it.
Oh, fine. Let me hear it.
I would want us to do combined business. I believe from there I can pick up. Yeah.
Okay. First, I will commend you for at least being able to put your brain to work to come out with an idea like this. It's okay. At the same time, I would like to ask, forgive me, I don't mean to mock you. The other time you came asking for 2 million
Yeah.
to do some business, some goods, and now you want us to do combined business. I'm wondering, which money will you be combining with me? Which money?
Oh, I actually told you I had a little money on me, not much though. So I thought maybe I could bring it and you help me beef it up and then we invest. As we make profit, we share it according to capital invested.
Okay, I think it sounds quite interesting. Besides, you are my brother. You're my younger brother, Ikene. I will do anything. I promise you, and I promised Father, I'll do anything to make sure you stand on your feet.
Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. It's okay.
So when do we, how do we kick off?
You dictate the pace. You are the master here.
Okay. This is what we'll do. We'll make out time to sit down and talk this over.
Okay.
Possibly over a bottle of champagne.
That'll be good.
Which will be bought by you.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that. I will. Thank you very much.
I done think this thing before. I dey wonder wetin they do me. All my plans they fall for ground. Business imo, oko anyola.
Sam,
Papa.
It is said that he who wears the shoe knows where it pinches him. And only the mother knows the father of her child.
Papa, can you cut out the riddles and parables? What is the problem? You sent for me, I'm here.
No man is an island. Neither can a tree make a forest. What we are saying is that you should get married and make a family.
Papa, is this why you sent for me to come back to the village? I don't get it. What is all this obsession about me getting married?
Chukudubem is not an obsession. What we are saying is that you are of age and should get married. That's all.
Can I ask a question? You people, do you realize it's me, Dubem, seated here, not Chukwudozie? Eh? This whole pressure should be mounted on Chukwudozie, who is the first son, not me.
Chukwudozie is not here. You are the one that I'm seeing. You are the one I am talking to. You are the one that should listen and also respond to what we are talking about.
Please, my son, if you have any problem, tell us. We are your parents. Don't hide anything from us, please.
Yeah. Oh, Mama, what kind of problem?
I don't know.
No, tell me. What kind of problem?
I don't know.
It's an even matter.
Nobody can say. Open no dey alolo. I choba ndi mborogu na mpa akoko.
Keep on the mborogu. What? Even na alolo.
Gini jise nketa onwu.
All this pressure, get married. I'm not the first son. The first son should get married before me.
We are not talking of first son here.
Please, can we just change this topic?
Change to what? Listen, son. What we're saying is this. Our decision is that you must get married. Period.
Fine. Thank you. You have made your point. Can I leave now? And I beg you, don't summon me for this kind of meeting again.
Chinedu, will you shut up and stop talking when your father is talking? Sit down.
I have seen that getting angry and flaring up will not solve this issue. We really have a big problem.
We don't have any problem. There is no problem. I will get married, agreed. But I will do that when I am good and ready.
My dear, when will that be? Possibly when we are dead. Which means you don't want us to see our grandchildren. Yes.
Mama, I'm not your first son. Neither am I your only son. So don't... Please,
we are not talking of first son here.
Don't use this, your emotions on me.
We are not talking of first son here.
It won't work. Ah.
But how is Papa and Mama?
Oh, they're fine. They're fine.
Why did they send for you?
Forget about that and let's talk about the business at hand.
Okay, so what's the business about?
Good. I got an information that the federal government plans to ban the importation of rice because they want to develop and boost our rice market here. And being the businessman that I am, I quickly made some contacts in Thailand for us to seize this last opportunity and make good money.
Rice? Are we now venturing into rice business?
Of course. Business is not supposed to be stagnant. You have to diversify sometimes, venture into different things once the business is good and make money. This is our opportunity to make good money from this lucrative business.
Okay, so how do we go about this?
Good. We need to go to Thailand. My friend in Thailand will link us to a rice merchant there.
When are we going to Thailand?
Yes, that's the issue. I've thought about it. It's not wise for both of us to leave the business. So, you'll be going to Thailand. I'll sit back and monitor things. I'm looking at we bringing in at least a shipload of rice.
Brother, that's huge. And we really have to consider the monetary implication of all this. I don't think we have such money.
Yes, I've checked that. But my friend assured me that the goods can come in first. Then we complete the payment.
Wow, in that case then we have a good one. I believe it's a profitable venture.
Of course. For me to venture into it, you know it's promising. Let me give you the plan. The moment the federal government bans importation of rice, what will happen? Rice becomes scarce. What do? We bring in our goods into the market. When the rice is supposed to see here, then we sit back. We book away go. Hey! If the company say,
but let's see, we must not let this opportunity pass us by.
Of course. So, you know me, I don't waste time once business is good. You will get prepared. Your visa will be ready next week.
Ozubo.
Yeah. I get Jesse on here.
Hey! Okay.
Make it ever for you. You go to Thailand.
Here we come, Thailand. Ebuka, my guy. You know, my brother is a business guru. Ever since I started this combined business with him, things have improved for the better. My business grows in leaps and bounds by the day. I don't the hammer small.
I tell you, I am so happy you're beginning to realize how my advice means a lot to you.
Yeah, at least once in your life you don't talk true.
You know, your brother Dubem has been in this line of business even before you stepped into it.
Yeah, that's true.
So you have to learn how to keep up with it.
That's exactly what I'm doing. They follow the guy bumper to bumper. This guy knows every trick in business. I know if I continue this way, bros, hey, I go blow now.
You go make him now?
I go blow. But you know it's a show.
You know what? I'm so glad you're seeing how well your business is coming up. As a friend, I would give you an advice. You should learn the tricks on how to maneuver this kind of business.
My guy, trust me now. I don't be learn. Look, I'm learning from the best. Dubem is a genius when it comes to business. I'm telling you. But you know it's a shy.
Okay, I have to take my leave now. I know by now my girl should be calling me. I told you my girl will be coming now.
Wait, bros, you want to leave me go see woman?
Now, woman, you call her. She's not just a mere woman. She's my heart drop.
Hey, bros, listen to me. Spare me this salmon. I know you well.
Go find baby. Go find baby.
There are many fishes in the house. You're not going to tie yourself with that one girl so you do this thing.
Go find baby.
You dey go?
Go find
you dey go?
Go find baby.
Okay, go. Woman rapper.
See, I support your parents. They are right. They know what they are saying.
They don't know what they are saying.
Mane,
They don't know what they are saying.
can you listen to yourself talk? You're not getting any younger at all. Okay, wait. How old are you this year?
Mike, my age has nothing to do with me getting married. Nothing.
And it has a lot. It has a lot. Now, by this time, you're supposed to have children.
By this time, you're supposed to have children. How many do you have, Mike?
See.
See, I'm not the first son. Go now. I'm not the first son, so why are they pestering me?
Do you have to be the first son to get married? No, you don't have to. Besides, your elder brother might have gotten married to a white woman. Who knows?
Fine. Let him stay there, marry happily. My point is this, I am not ready. I'm not ready. When I am ready, I'll let everybody know. I'll even let you know. I'm not ready.
When you're ready. Now, what makes you not to be ready?
Mike? So, you think you just wake up one morning pick up one girl and say you want to marry her. No. You check certain things now. You have to know her very well.
Yeah, so you're saying you don't know Mercy?
Mercy?
No, Mercy no.
I gotta give them.
No. Because you people have been going out even before I got married. So what's your point?
See, my point is this. Marriage is deep. It doesn't just end. It's deep. I'm not ready.
See, if this thing you're saying, you have no excuse for refusing to get married. Huh? Brother, let's tell ourselves the truth. Huh? You should make your parents happy. Huh?
Mike, can you free me and tell me something new? Afia go Batago.
Today say is always bitter. Afia ma Batago.
My shop, my business, my goods, everything. But you know I love you.
Oh, please.
You know I love you.
You love me, yet you treat me as though I mean nothing to you.
Me?
You.
Hi.
You better do the needful. You're not trying at all.
Tell me what to do to make it up.
Don't spend 1 week in my house.
1 week, I'll spend 1 month. Hey, I gotta give him.
Brother, what's going on? Ever since I came here, you've been drinking. Why did you ask me to come?
The last time I came back from the village, you asked me why Papa and Mama summoned me.
Yeah, you didn't want to talk about it. Do you want to discuss it now?
They want me to get married. In fact, they have been on my case for a while now.
And what did you tell them?
What else? Do I look ready to you? I told them I'm not ready. See, marriage is a lifetime commitment. You don't just pick up any girl and get married to her. I'm not ready.
Brother, I think Mama and Papa are right. I mean, you should get married and settle down. You have the money, you have a comfortable apartment. What else are you looking for to get prepared?
Ekene, you see these things as though they are easy, but they're not. Fine, I have a girl I want to marry. I gotta give him. She's there.
yourself ready. I mean, this depends on you and you alone.
You know, I keep asking myself, why me? Chukwudozie, our elder brother, he's been out of this country for over 10 years now. And surprisingly, nobody is calling him or bothering him to get married. But me, why?
Because you are the one they are seeing. Why don't you just get married and make them happy?
So you support them?
Of course I should.
I wonder why I even called you to talk to you in the first place.
You're my brother and you know I always tell you the truth.
Wrong choice.
Yeah, I should get myself another glass and join you.
No, you can start with this.
Oh, thank you, bro.
Adamu, someone is at the gate.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Please, who may you want to see?
And who are you?
Where's the babe?
Oh, sorry, sister. The question here is, who is she?
Well, I'm Mercy. I'm the babe's friend. May I meet you, please?
Well, the baby is our brother.
Oh, good afternoon.
Where has he gone?
The babe just went to see a friend and I'm sure he'll be back very soon. You're welcome. Please still make yourself.
Oh, yeah. So I told you now, no problem. I'll be at your place shortly. Of course. Afiam Nagan. Afiam Naba. You over there then. Go.
I know, man.
No problem. I'll do it shortly. What do we get it?
Nah, Jehovah Bez, I know, man. Yeah, have you proposed to Mercy?
Proposed? No. I'm not in a hurry. I don't want to rush things.
My brother, you have to. You have to. See, your parents are eager to have grandchildren. You have to give them that which they desire.
I know, you have a point, but it's better not to rush these things so that one doesn't make any mistake or fall into any kind of trouble.
Why don't you take the bold step first?
Bold step?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll think about it.
Ekwana, think about it.
What do you want me to
Please do the right thing, please.
What are you saying about Papa Noah's demand for you to get married?
What do you want me to say?
That Chinedu has refused to come home and get married does not mean you continue to wait for him.
And who says I want to continue waiting for him? They've pestered me enough, and right now I've decided to get married.
Oh, that's good. That's wonderful. Aha. Now you're talking like a man. Have you made a choice yet?
Of course, I have my girlfriend, Mercy.
Who? That lousy girl that I met her the other day.
Sister. It's not like she's not lousy. I love her. She loves me.
Must she be the one? Can't you look for somebody else?
You don't even know her very well. What problem do you have with her?
She doesn't look like a good girl. Moreover, we have to be careful the kind of people we are bringing into this family.
Okay. Made your point. Thank you. How are your kids?
Yeah, okay. I do know well. Okay. Thanks for the other day.
You want something to drink?
Let me relax a bit. I'll go and get it myself. Or must she be the one to give to me?
She's not in my house now.
Thank God.
Wow.
What do I do now? Should I accept the offer? Do I really have a future with Dubem? I'm confused. God, please.
Yes, my daughter. Why are you so bothered?
Mama. Mama, it's about Dubem.
Dubem?
Yes, Dubem.
What happened to him?
Nothing happened to him.
Huh. So why are you so worried?
Mama, he proposed to me.
Huh. Is that why you're so bothered? It's a good thing now.
Mama, I know it's a good thing. That's the problem, but I'm scared.
What is it that you're scared of? Is it marriage or are you scared of him?
Mom, I know that I love Dubem so very much.
If you love Dubem and he loves you, so why don't you go ahead and accept his offer?
Is it that easy? I'm just scared for nothing.
Put your fears away, my daughter. Listen, I know marriage is a long and dicey journey, but all that matters is love.
Are you sure?
I'm your mother, I will not deceive you. It's babe. Okay, that's my baby. I'm going to give you energy.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, sweetheart.
Mike, I just couldn't believe it. She blatantly refused to give me an answer. None.
But that does not mean outright refusal.
I don't know. I mean, I never imagined she would even give a second thought to my proposal.
Listen, Dubem, you asked a girl to marry you, not to be your girlfriend.
She said I should give her time to think. You know me. Once I want something, I don't have that patience.
You see, you have to develop patience. This is marriage we're talking about here. So you have to give her all the time she needs to think about it.
I just wish she'd wake up and just say yes to me. My parents want me to get married. Now I want to do this thing. Let's just do it and get it over with.
What? I need as much. Chalo. See, have patience. But in as much as you're waiting, persuade her the more. Woo her more. Of course.
You think that's the right call, huh?
Of course now. You are the man here, go for what you want. Yeah, I gotta give for you. I don't want it.
I gotta give for you.
Idiocke.
I just can't wait to do this thing.
Chukudubem, it is said that marriage is a journey of no return. It goes beyond saying I do. In marriage, two people come together as one. And as such, you would agree with me that it's an issue that should be handled with utmost carefulness.
Well, to a very large extent, you and I have come a long way. And by now we should understand our temperament.
Well, I have thought about your proposal, and I also considered a lot of other factors that are essential to this issue.
Okay. And?
I will marry you.
Huh?
Yes, I am accepted to marry you.
You will?
Yes, I will be your wife.
You?
Yes, I will be your wife.
Thank you. So this is what you wanted to tell me, and you kept me in suspect. You kept your first time.
I wanted to tease you a little.
Oh, yo. I gotta give him.
Okay. Oh my God, what is he up to? Okay, I'll wait. Oh my God. Oh, you!
I gotta give
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh.
With this ring, I pledge my total commitment to you.
Thank you. And I pledge to love you alone, to stay true to you, and love you with every breath that I breathe.
Sam, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, you're looking very good, though.
I thank God, my son.
Dubem, this your August visit. I hope it's for good. And who is the angel with you?
Your father is right. She is really an angel. And who is she?
Mama, all this while you people have been disturbing me. Dubem get a wife. Dubem get a wife. Dubem you must get married. Dubem get a wife. Imechi Emuniru today. This is Mercy, my wife to be.
I see. Beautiful. This is marvelous. Huh? Your wife to be.
Exactly.
Beautiful.
Mercy, these are my parents.
I greet you, Your Highness.
Good neighbor.
May your days be long.
Yes.
My queen, I greet you.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Good
Thank you, ma'am.
Kedu?
How do you, ma'am?
And how are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am.
So, my daughter, where are you from and who are your parents?
Your Highness, I am from Umdioka. I am the daughter of late Thomas Dikeh.
That's good.
That's good.
That's right.
Beautiful. You're welcome to the family.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Good.
May your days be long.
Good.
Thank you, Papa.
Dubem, my son. Leslie, you really have a bulky eye.
Oh.
This one is good.
Oh.
It's good.
Just like my father. Mama, I call her Agadagi Fem.
Anamano.
My baby is back.
Good afternoon, Mama.
My dear, welcome. So how did it go?
Oh my God. You want me to tell you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mom, it went so well.
Really?
The baby's parents were so receptive. They loved me instantly.
Wow! You know, that's a good sign. It's one thing for a man to ask you to marry him, and another thing for the parents to accept you.
In fact, Mom, you won't believe it. In fact, Mama, they were so at home with me.
Really?
Even the mother said I should come and spend the weekend with her.
Oh, she's such a nice woman. I would like to meet her too.
You will meet her. Oh, do you know something?
What's that?
The babe's father is a king.
Ezioku.
I'm telling you.
He never told you that.
For where? That guy is so secretive.
Eh?
Mama, but you know the babe now. He doesn't like attention, you know, whatsoever kind of. Not to talk of being addressed as a prince.
He's such a humble man.
Wow.
I'm so happy for you, honey.
I am so lucky.
Yeah, you are.
I love that man so much. I couldn't have made a better choice.
I'm happy for you, honey.
Do you know that he even told his parents, like, Cosby, I give fair.
Oh, really?
I was so shy. I'm like, what is wrong with this man? I was like,
really?
Run away! Like, what's this? Oh my God, it was so embarrassing, but I just like, you know.
Honey, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Thank you
love you, honey.
everything.
You're welcome.
Let me run inside and shower. I'm so tired.
All right, dear. Oh, thank God. Honey, your food is on the table.
Good evening.
Welcome, Olona. How are you? How is the trip?
I'm fine, sister.
I've been telling you time without number about the kind of dresses you wear these days. I don't like them. Is that too exposing now? Look at the one you're wearing now. Huh?
Hey, sister.
You must not do things because others are doing it. Sure, there's a difference in you now.
Sister, where are the kids?
As usual, not to play at the neighbors.
Okay. Sister, you sounded so agitated on the phone. What is the matter?
My sister, our roof is about to be set on fire. And if care is not taken, we'll all be sent packing. All of us.
What does that mean? Which roof on fire? And who is setting the fire?
Haven't you heard about Chinedu getting married to that girl, Mercy?
Yes, sister, I've heard about it. And I know it's going to make our parents very happy.
Is that what you think?
Yes, sister.
Hey. Anyway, you're still a child. I'm not against them getting married, but as far as it's getting married to that girl, we are all in for trouble. Big one.
Sister, I don't get you. Trouble? How would Brother Dube marrying Mercy bring trouble to us?
That's why I said you're still a child. Let's look at it this way. Have you ever thought about what will become of us if he gets married to that girl? Have you thought about our monthly allowances, what will happen to it? See, that girl will make him not remember us again. And not only that, the very first day I set my eyes on that girl, I knew that she will be trouble if she enters this family.
You're right, sister. But she doesn't strike me as someone as bad as that.
You see why you're a child again? What do you know about all these girls on the fast lane? Have you ever thought about them? You know what they do? She will simply go diabolical. Yes. Just to protect her man. And that portends great danger for all of us. Serious danger.
Hey. Sister. So, what are we going to do? How are we going to stop Brother Dubim from marrying her?
The only thing we can do is to raise opposition against her immediately. And that will make her run away from us. Run for 40.
Sister, you're right. Because I am not going to sit down here and watch a stranger come in from nowhere to stop us from enjoying our brother's wealth. It's not possible now.
That is why we have to act now. We must not give her any breathing space at all. No time.
Sister, I don't know why Brother Dubim would bring trouble into this house. I don't understand.
Me, I strongly believe that girl has charmed him, because the way he's falling in love with her is so crazy and amazing. Check it out now.
Sister, you see that charm? It will be broken. It will fail. It will be broken.
Amen. We have to do it now. Amen. Hey. Amen. Why would it break? Does she know where we started? How we have faced life up till now?
Hey.
She must not enter. Flight do you want to leave?
Sister, what is it again? I can't have a simple get-together in my house with my friends again?
You can go ahead and hold all the parties in the whole world for all I care. But mind you, the green snake has entered the green grass.
What does that mean?
Dubem is about to bring in the bees into our family by marrying that girl, Mercy.
Sister, Mercy is not a bee. What has this girl done to you?
Her entrance into our family is going to make Dubem automatically forget all about us. and face only her and her family?
No, I don't see that happening.
Are you blind? Can't you see that Bess is diabolical? Eh? She's not married yet. And Dubem has started sending expensive gifts to her family.
Are you sure?
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
I've been expecting you for long.
Oh, madam. Pardon me, you know, business is always hectic. Forgive me, ma.
Mama.
My dear.
Dubem is a very hard-working man.
Oh yes, it's evident on him. A man is noted for his prowess in the field of work.
Oh.
You have proven to be a man.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Ma, I wanted to use this opportunity to tell you that I love your daughter, Mercy, very much. Yes, and I have decided to marry her.
Oh, that's nice.
I know that this is not really the right time to, bring up an issue such as marriage. Please pardon me. I will come at the right time.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
I know your heart desire is also my daughter's heart desire. What else can I say?
Thank you, Mama.
You are confident.
So, madam, I would like to hasten up the marriage plans so it will work as soon as possible.
All right. The coast is clear, my son.
Oh.
Thank you.
You can come with your people anytime.
Thank you, ma.
Okay?
Thank you, Mama.
All right, yeah.
Let me ask you one question. If Dubem starts the marriage rights now, whose money is he going to use?
For the expenses.
I don't get you.
It is your money he will use. The income from your combined business is what he will use. He will simply channel all the money, all your money, into marrying that witch of a girl.
Yeah? Sister, are you saying Dubem is planning to use our money to marry that girl?
Thank God, Ogo. Thank God you are here. Please come and help me talk to him.
Okay, ma.
Yes, dear.
You know I'm a very busy man. Please, pardon me. But before I leave, I would like you to manage this little token. Just manage.
Thank you very much, my son. Ha! See the gifts you brought for me and you still gave me money.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. May God bless you.
Yes, ma. God has given me freely, and I will give to others.
Thank you very much.
Let me just walk in.
All right, dear. Go away, my son. Hi. Oh.
The best thing to do right now is to break away from him. If not, you regret that so-called combined business.
Do you want all the money you have labored for to be channeled to the family of a girl who does not have respect for any of us? Is that what you want?
Tell him you're no longer interested in that combined business. If not, you will regret. Let everything be shared.
Honestly, my sisters, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
You do know what to do. And that is the right thing. Break away from Dubem. Break away. Simple.
The earlier the better. Don't say the one I told you.
She's right.
I gotta give him.
Honey.
I gotta give him. Oh yo yo.
Stop teasing me. Oh,
God. I plan to come to your house later to see your mother over the introductory issue.
are you kidding? I like you. I love you so much. You're the best guy I saw. But you know what? I think next week will be better.
Next week? You think so?
Yes.
Fine. Next week it is.
Next week? Thank you.
Yeah, so when I'll be coming, whatever you want me to bring. Welcome. You are here. You don't look good. What's wrong?
You're welcome.
Alpha.
I want to see you privately.
Please excuse us.
Okay, baby. Love you.
Love you. Okay, I'm going to cut us in What's wrong?
Dubim, I want us to end this business partnership and split. I want us to share our profits.
Can are you drunk? Huh? No, seriously, are you? Why would you ever think of something like this? Yeah. See, I think you've had a very busy day. You know, maybe too many things on your mind. I suggest you go home, rest, and by tomorrow morning you'll feel better.
I came here with my senses intact. You have no right to tell me what to say.
I say I will discuss this issue no further.
And I say you will discuss this.
Are you actually pointing? Is Eliva? Huh? No, wait. Are you okay?
Cut the sarcasm. Let's face the issue at hand. Let's end this business partnership. I'm done. I'm fed up.
That was working.
So you are blind and so insensitive to my situation you can't say I don't have it?
And what's my business with your situation? All I want is money!
You are a very useless fellow. You are daft.
How dare you call me an idiot? You're a bastard!